Welcome back, my dear friends of the universe, to another episode of Until Dawn on the PlayStation 4. Last time, Mike was going into a sanitarium and he lost 2 of his fingers. It wasn't really intentional, but he did. Alright. So, right now, we are trying to dodge, or there's dogs around here, and there is one madman, we know that much. Okay. Here we have a dead guy. There's still dead people in the morgue. That's beautiful, man! But that's a key card, right? That's what we needed. Why does...
Okay, let's check this out.
Why does the dead guy still have his key card, though? Are we gonna check some more? You got a note? No dead guy in this one. Just a note. Alright, I'd rather take a note. I hereby certify that I attended deceased Sarah Smith. If death was due to external causes, violence, fill in the following: accident, suicide, homicide, homicide. Manner of injury best reason by sharp implements, possibly fingernails. Oh, that's just dandy. Do we need to open more? I don't know. I don't think there's anything in here, but I guess we can draw it out. No, there's actually a note. That looks like the note that was on the trap. Nicholas Bowen. Attack by inmate, fatal laceration to throat. Is there still a crazy guy roaming around out here? Oh, fucking God. I swear to God. Okay. Interesting. Apparently we're going up. No, I'm not sure how confident I feel about that. I'm not really sure what we're doing here anymore, even. What is Mike trying to get out of this? My theory about the dogs actually being friendly may have been stupid.
Isn't this a quaint little psycho crib?
Okay, so that guy obviously lives here. Why? I do not know. My theory that he's one of the patients that were here still holds. Might hold. I'm not still entirely sure if he's a good or a bad person yet.
Right, back in here.
But we have the key now. We have the key, so we got through. Eureka! Alright. Hello?
Okay. Okay.
I remember at least one of them
Easy, boy.
not being that dangerous, so I'm not gonna punch it.
Easy. That's a good boy.
Ooh, that's what I remembered, so yeah. At least that one's friendly enough. Okay. I'm gonna approach it.
That's a good boy. That's right.
We did pet one. I know we did.
Easy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Good guy. You like that? Yeah. And everyone likes a little loving, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So the totems actually, oh, we could have saved our fingers, I guess. If we just were a little bit smarter. I wonder if he's guarding something. Are you guarding something, buddy?
Guy? You like that? Yeah.
Nah, we just...
Everyone likes a little loving, right?
So, okay. That guy went in here somewhere? I can't really seem to go in there, though. So, if the dog's siblings come around, we might actually be a little bit more safe now.
Maybe this'll keep the wolves fat and happy.
Okay, this one is locked by a security lock, so we're not getting through there. There's no way for us to get in there. Alright, we got something in here. There is obviously someone here trying to solve something or do something.
Fucking freak.
Clippings wall. 14 missing in the mountains. Local man found dead. Liars. So that might be one of the psychos up here. Bigfoot sighted. American girls died. Alright, father died. Sighting. Footprints found. Okay, interesting. Father died? Did Josh's and their father die up here?
So, what have we here?
Oh well. That's one way to do it, I guess. Was there ammo in it though? What do we do next? Wasn't there more we could take from that? Like a drink or something? I guess you could use a drink. Don't say we're gonna fire upon the lock over there. I'm not sure that actually works in real life. Of course we are. Alright, there's an exit here. Wait. Can I not go to the exit? Do I need to continue being here? Of course I do. Of course I do.
locked.
Can't you just use the gun again?
Okay.
Whoops. 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 Okay, that's where the cut's off. Alright. He's just sitting there shilling.
Hey, it's locked. The hell? Who did that? Man, there's some seriously uncool shit going on up here tonight.
Yep. Yep, I agree with you, Matt. I agree with you. I agree with you.
I can't believe Josh is dead.
I can't believe how he died.
No, I mean, what if they were wrong?
What?
Maybe we should have checked the shed to see if it was really true.
I don't know. There are some things that once you see them, you can never unsee them.
Yeah, I guess, but some things you have to see for yourself.
I'll take their word for it.
Yeah.
Look! An axe. I feel better with an axe.
Why is the axe there, though? Doesn't make sense. Well, we got it at least. That's better than nothing. But why was it there?
Now? This is locked, Matt.
All the clues for
Break the door
now
down, will ya?
Whoa, wait a
points
second.
towards
Sit down, he's gonna hear us.
Look, you got any better suggestions?
tribes or crazy people at the sanitarium.
Look!
What?
A window.
That's great, Matt. I can just about fit my lip balm through that little slot.
No, come on.
You will never fit through there, big guy.
Okay, fine. Here goes. I'm gonna huff, and I'm gonna...
Shh, just do it!
Was this what someone tried to do? Someone's been here and searched through everything, I guess.
What happened?
This is crazy.
We were here just a few hours ago. This must have just happened.
What the fuck is going on?
It's got to be the guy, though, the one who got to Chris and Ash and Josh.
He's gotta know this is the only way back.
Don't say that.
Look, the cable car's all the way out there.
Well, I mean, that's not far, right? You can jump it?
Jump.
I'm good, but not that good. Flattered, though.
Well, Matt, if you can't jump that, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
God, everything is like so busted up.
I think they knew exactly what they were doing.
Let's see here. This tower up there.
Someone really did a number on this joint.
Such a mess. This place was barely
Is that a
in
radio
working
tower? We
condition
might
before,
actually
and
radio
now?
for help.
Hey, look! Fire tower.
Hey, Magellan, maybe we should get the cable car working and take this show on the road, huh?
Alright. That's not gonna do anything, I guess.
A mental hospital.
Great, that's like totally...
Gross?
No, just creepy.
Yeah, I guess.
Very friendly.
Unfollow.
Unfollow. Oh, Emily, you. Alright, can we talk to Emily? Why is there a glow on the floor? There we go.
There's gotta be something we can do.
I'm all ears.
Well, look at all this crap. There's gotta be something useful in here, right?
Speed control, neutral, run, stop. There's nothing we can do with it though.
Great.
The key's
No
gone.
keys, no cable car. So, back to square one.
What about the fire tower on the map you found?
Look,
Now it
it's
works!
an option.
Oh, maybe it has a radio or something. I mean, it would, wouldn't it?
Probably, yeah.
Matt, we gotta get to that radio.
Alright.
We can use the radio to call for help. Somebody's gotta pick up the signal.
Wow, Matt, good call. Radio. So smart.
Why are you being so bitchy? We're in a serious situation.
Whoa, Matt, easy.
I'm gonna look at the other one last time. Got a sanatorium, lodge, ranger's path. That's about it. Alright, nothing more. Anything more interesting in here?
Oh, hold up.
What's cooking? Good looking?
Getting us out of here, Mr. Meat for Brains.
Alright. Well, are you gonna do something today? You're not the fastest in the world.
Look at this bad boy. You're coming with me, buddy. And just like magic, come on down. We can totally get out here this way. Ah!
Emily!
Fuck. Totally missed that one. Well, no harm done.
Sorry about that, Em. You are okay, right?
Okay.
She's probably gonna lose trust for us now, but alright. Fuck, I didn't expect that one to come up so suddenly. So I pressed the wrong button. God damn it. It isn't easy with buttons, you know, squares and
You know, I'm
circles and...
lucky to be alive. No thanks to you.
Jeez, Em, I tried to grab you.
Good effort, Matt.
I'll do better next time. I promise.
Next time.
I mean,
Oh my god! Girl? What the fuck? Actually, is wrong with you? I don't care if it's insecurity or whatever, you're
The radio.
just being a bitch.
But, okay, if it doesn't, we need a plan.
maybe we can just climb down
Climb down what?
the mountain.
Are you serious?
Yep.
What's the big deal? It's not like it's floating in the sky.
It might as well be. It's pitch black out.
Hey, hopefully we won't have to.
You think the psychopath is just gonna give up and run away?
No. But maybe we should find a safe spot. Hole up, wait it out. It'll be a lot easier to figure this all out in the morning.
As long as we don't hide in the lodge, that's where he expects us to go.
Yeah. I guess I sort of agree with you. So, she could be useful, she's kind of smart, but it's intolerable to listen to. Okay, is the bridge messed up? There's no bridge.
Watch where you step around here.
Yes, Matt, unless you plan on catching me this time, I'd prefer not to spend my evening plummeting to my death off a snowy cliff top.
Well, sorry for showing concern. No, there's nothing here. Why did she go here, even? Can I move away?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know.
Jesus!
Why are they... What? That's so fucking weird. You know what, guys? I'm gonna end this episode here and we're gonna see what Sam is up to in the next one. And until then, have a great time. Bye.
My dear friends of the universe, thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the annotation in the left corner if you want more. Leave a like and a share to not be a square. And until next time, bye.
In cooperation with giveaway links, one of the best places to get free games on the web. Link in the description.